welcome back to the channel. It's just a quick hello to everyone. Just a quick update. I'm still waiting on some parts, but as soon as I get the parts I can make part 4. Been watching the channel Norfolk Man Cave. I'll put a link in the description. Lots of interesting stuff going on at his shed with Man Cave. Really enjoying this channel, and I've learnt a few things, so that will help make the build a bit better. Anyway, I'll flip you around and show you what I've been doing this morning, and like I say, it's just an update. So I'll turn it. There's a 1947 Jap engine, re-noted with its old original starting handle which I got, and it's a little bit easier to start because that bit turns. As you can see, just waiting on a couple of bits for this. Gonna clean this up, get this all right so we can get a better spark out of it. On the other machine I've got outside, which I'm using for spares, got another carb, so anything that's missing or needs doing, I can take it off of that one. The governor on the other machine, I have a decelerator which pushes it in, so I'm going to take that off of that one and put it on there. So yeah, so do that. We're going to take the head off, clean that all up, put a new gasket on, do the valves, just get this whole girl running sweetly again. So yeah, so over here I found me box of parts. Been up in, well, air filter, petrol tank straps. Oh, I don't know, there's the petrol tank. Another one, toolbox for it, spare handlebars, all bits and bobs in there. These brackets, another exhaust, all bits and bobs. Right, yeah, there's the Rotovator, Clifford Model A. The reason I know it's 1947 is by the engine number down there. Model 5, there's the year code and the engine number. So that's year code 47. So it's a very early running engine. Yeah, there's the handlebars I got for the plough I picked up from Ipswich. So that's all for a later video when I do the plough. But this morning I fitted handlebars. What I did have was this part here that was on it, but it needed a pin. I haven't got a metal lathe and I've got a pin ready which needs doing, so that can all be done later. But yeah, I've got all this on. This was all seized up. Spare pair of handlebars. As you can see, I've got levers there for the gearbox and old handlebars. So yeah, I took these off, completely stripped it, oiled it, greased it, everything, and now it runs like a good one. You can put that in 3 different positions. You can see it all clicks in, all turns nicely. So yeah, we've got handlebars on it now. I've got another one of these. We've got some covers that go over the back. I can rip them off the other machine, which I will show you now. Underneath that cover there, behind the plough, is a later model, but they're pretty interchangeable and I can adapt. As you can see down there, we've got another 24 TT carb, but I think there should be some stuff in there that's sort of missing. There's a decelerator mechanism all in there. When that's pulled, that's not on the old governor, that will decelerate it. As you can see, it just pushes it in. But yeah, so there's the plough. I've freed it up, which is nice. It all runs quite nicely. But that's all for another video. Strip this old girl down, get all the parts I want off it, give myself some room. Might be some parts going up on eBay for a marketplace for sale. The same with what I've got in the boxes over there. Also, that will give me some wheels, pneumatic wheels as well. As you can see, I've got some more up there. Another air filter. And I'm going to take this bracket off. It fits down there. And that should fit on the other one, so I can put the air filter on. So yeah, got a few busy bits to do. And yeah, just an update really, so I haven't forgotten. So yes, I'd like to wish you all a happy Christmas. And I will see you all in the new year with a brand new video on this old girl. But the main aim at the moment is to get that running lovely and sweet. So if you want to keep up to date with the series and you're not subscribed, please subscribe, it's free. Give it all a like, comment. I'm looking for comments and advice. So yeah, please subscribe, have yourself a good Christmas, and see you all after the new year. Don't forget, I'll put Norfolk Man Cave in the description and have a look at his channel. Rather interesting. So yes, see you all later. Thanks for watching.